Ready, set, go! Whee! There's dinosaur number 1. Dinosaur number 2. Let's have a look at dinosaur number 2.
T-Rex.
I think there's a T-Rex coming next. Get ready for it.
T-Rex.
Whoa, look at that one.
Rex.
Look at this dinosaur. That's a very colourful dinosaur. Here's another one. Which one's next, Marley?
Mud.
It's a muddy dinosaur, is it?
Beepy.
Slide it down. Slide it down. Here we go. Slide it down. Oh, what's it doing up there? Oh no. Here we go. Slide it down. Woo! And give it another slide. It's a mud slide.
Set.
Go. There we go. Okay, you slide the next one down. We'll have a look at this.
Set.
Ready, set, go. Whoa. Oh, that was flying. It was a shark. This one was a shark. Get the next one ready.
Set.
Ready, set, go. Oh no, that was just so fast we couldn't even see it. This one's an Apatosaurus.
Mud.
It's a muddy one, so this is going to be a mud slide. Get ready for the mud slide. Go, get ready. You gonna slide this one? Slide the Triceratops. That's the blue one. Yeah, that one. Slide the Triceratops. Get ready.
Set.
Ready, set, go! Oh, that was so fast we couldn't even see it. Whoa, let's have a look at this Triceratops. Which one's coming down next, Marley? Oh, it's another one. Let's try this one. Oh, that was too fast. Whoa. I'm not sure what this one is.